Welcome to one of Earth's greatest treasures, the Amazon rainforest. Covering over 5.5 million kilometers across South America, it's home to more species than any other region on Earth. From tiny frogs to mighty macaws, from towering trees to hidden rivers, life here thrives in astounding diversity. For thousands of years, indigenous communities have lived here in harmony with nature, depending on the forest's gifts. But this precious ecosystem faces grave threats: deforestation, climate change, and habitat loss. Together, we can protect the Amazon's future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. AI for more insightful videos.